Hello, hello. So guys, welcome back to the channel. So today I have my 2004 Suzuki Gsxr 750. I bought it used on Facebook Marketplace out of all places. It was ruined. Everything was messed up. Bad tires. Engine was bad. A lot of crap. Even now, this thing just fell out. I don't even know what the fuck this is. This tube fell out from under here. My fairings are being held in by zip ties that don't even tie anywhere. So, as you can tell, it's my project bike. I essentially paid $1,400. I put $1,100 in. And today I'm gonna take you guys on the back roads of my city. You know? But yeah. See if you guys like the sound. It's not a cold start, to be honest, sadly. Oh my goodness. But yeah. Oh my god, it's so windy. I don't know if you guys can hear me. But yeah, these are the back roads of Texas. This one in particular, the back roads of my city, Conroe. God damn! Hell yeah! This is my first time with this type of bike on this type of road. Before, when I had the bike, I got it right 5 months ago. I had a whole bunch of issues, like you need a tire, engine, etc., everything, right? A whole bunch of stuff. So it takes about 2 to 3 months to get the parts in to get it fixed, and I get it back, right? So before, the rev limiter would be at 7,000 RPM, which is right here. It wouldn't get past that. So the bike was limited, and then I get it back. It lasts about a week. And the same thing happens again. So I'm like, fuck, man. So I had the bike for about a month and a half, but I had half the power, so I couldn't really like go fast. I couldn't accelerate. It was pretty, restricted, pretty restricted. So before this, the fastest thing I ever drove was the CBR for the intro. Even then, dude, I only drove it like 3 times. So going from a daily at 650 to a going from daily at 500 Honda to this is insane. Crazy difference. Insane difference. I still can't properly do my turns. I go all the way down with my knee. So, you'll see in the turns. It gets sketchy for me, man. I don't, look at these houses. I'm not saying I don't think I can do it. I'm just saying it sketches me out. Because the failure is huge. But yeah, guys, if you're ever curious, Texas is essentially just cities in between shit like this and deserts. So that's a FYI. Woo, y'all hear that? Oh yeah! Woo! Alright, let's see. I'm thinking of using these roads to practice my turning. Alright, let's see. So you go, you move left, hold the leg. Alright. You see how I get close and then I fucking bug out? downshift, and then try to accelerate the corner. That was so not good. Woo! It is so windy. Oh my goodness, man. Woo! Oh my God, this is so great. All right. I don't know where the road goes here. Downshift. Gonna go turn. Alright. We'll try the 3D fucking 360 cam so you can see that I try to turn. Woo! God damn! Alright, see how fast I can get it. Woo! God damn! Fucking love this shit! Oh, yes. And so this is literally the end of the route, man. Yeah, this is it. After this, you make a right and you go home. Or in my case, you go home. So it's a long road. I'm gonna record it. And I'm gonna actually turn it off. And maybe get something else done today. But yeah, guys, I don't know if you know, but like, comment, subscribe. I'm gonna try to do more vlog stuff like this. Hit the like, leave a comment. I'll try to answer everything. But yeah, on to the next. Peace.